This is how to make a GFX on mobile. Hey Blossoms, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a GFX on mobile. I filmed this video on my iPad, but it works the same on a phone. This was my most requested video, so I'm not gonna make you wait any longer. Let's get started. This is the end of the tutorial. This is what my GFX looks like with a background. I used a pre-made background on this GFX. If you want pre-made backgrounds for your GFX, you can join my Guilded server that is linked in the description. You can find them in the GFX ressources group. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.